Hi, my name's Hayden, and this is Devrin, and we're a couple dum-dums.
Couple dum-dums figuring stuff out. If they can do it, you can probably do it too.
Here we go. Grab these. Let's go, dum-dum. All right, so today we're gonna try to set up the Flash Air 2.
No.
I have no idea how to set this thing up. So,
Where are the poles?
I think there's only one pole.
One pole?
It's like, yeah.
That's
I'm pretty
cool.
sure. It's pretty crazy.
Just the center?
I don't even know how it works. We're gonna figure it out though. A couple dum-dums figuring it out. Steaks are gonna go in nice and easy. So, it's got like a built-in rain fly. I think the first thing we should just do is stake it down.
Nice.
All right, let's show them what we're going with. Now, people that actually backpack are probably gonna tell me this is wrong, but this is what I'm doing. We're gonna pull that through there, put that through there, and then pull that tight. And I'm not really sure how that would even come loose, but I'm sure this is an idiot way to do it, and my friend Noah will correct me. And you can actually use your, so these are designed so you can actually take your trekking poles and stick them in here. So you don't even have to carry this part. If you wanted to, if you had trekking poles, you could just use those instead. It's insane. All you would have to take is the top part. So.
Is that what it said in the manual?
Yeah. Bought for these maybe, like, they're supposed to go through there. And then I think they literally just go, yeah. Check this out. That's part of it. See that? That's where it goes in. See that? That's how it goes. And then I think you just stick it.
It's just the front.
Where's the freaking, where does this stick into?
The ground.
Oh, I just found it.
Oh.
Zoom in on that, dude. Holy. There it is. Boom. Okay. Still feel like something's not right, but
I think it's right.
that. No, you're right. I think when everything's staked out, it actually is good.
You could never have enough steaks. Should I go get B?
No, she doesn't deserve. She didn't do any of the work. She doesn't deserve any of the glory. Oh, bottom zip. Hell yeah, dude. This is a nice tent. Look at that. I'm in here, dude. We did it.
Get in. Lay down.
I gotta take my shoes off. Respect the house, you know?
Yeah.
I could sleep out here tonight.
I really
I'm not sure if Devrin's talking into the
These are so
microphone
good.
right now. But if he is, I'm gonna be recording it. Because so whatever he's saying, I'm gonna hear later. I'm gonna be on the microphone. Take the mic off.
Good.
Are you chewing right now?
Brooke gave it.
Yeah, I gave him the last 2 drumsticks. Claustrophobic in here.
Well, there you have it. 2 dum-dums figured it out. And if we figured it out, you can too. Now we just have to put this thing away.